Maintaining a vessel is crucial for ensuring safety, efficiency, and longevity in the maritime industry. Deck and engine room maintenance are two of the most vital areas that require our attention. Let's dive into why these tasks are essential and what they entail. First, let's talk about the engine room. This is the heart of the ship, where the power is generated. Regular maintenance here is not just about keeping the engines running, it's about preventing costly breakdowns and ensuring the safety of the crew. Key tasks include checking oil levels, inspecting fuel systems, and monitoring cooling systems. A well-maintained engine room can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and improve fuel efficiency, ultimately saving money and resources. Now, on to deck maintenance. The deck is where a lot of action happens, from cargo operations to crew activities. Regular inspections of the deck are essential to identify wear and tear, especially on surfaces that are exposed to harsh marine environments. Tasks like cleaning, painting, and checking for corrosion are critical. A clean and well-maintained deck not only enhances safety, but also improves the overall appearance of the vessel, which can be important for inspections and customer perceptions. Crew welfare is another crucial aspect of maintenance. A well-maintained environment contributes to the overall morale and productivity of the crew. Regularly scheduled maintenance tasks should include ensuring that safety equipment is in good condition and that living quarters are clean and functional. When crew members feel safe and comfortable, they perform better, which directly impacts the efficiency of operations. Expert advice emphasizes the importance of a proactive approach to maintenance. Implementing a routine schedule for inspections and repairs can prevent small issues from escalating into major problems. Training crew members on maintenance procedures not only empowers them, but also fosters a culture of safety and responsibility on board. In conclusion, effective deck and engine room maintenance is not just about keeping the ship operational, it's about ensuring safety, enhancing efficiency, and promoting crew welfare. By prioritizing these tasks, we can navigate the waters with confidence and maintain the integrity of our vessels. Remember, a well-maintained ship is a safe ship.